Hello, I'm Rob Peck, Penn Elcom, here at ISE 2020. Product I'd like to talk to you about today is the Penn Elcom Panel Designer. Panel Designer is software which is obtainable on the internet, so you don't have to download it, you can just use it on the internet free of charge. You can design panels for 19-inch racks, you can put in your own connector holes, logos, customize it. It's intuitive and it's very intelligent, so it won't let you make a mistake with locating your connectors. It snaps to the right position and allows the right clearance for whatever connector you're using. Once you are happy with your chosen panel and you're happy that you've finished to design it, you can then simply click on Buy. It's not very expensive, and it will then be delivered to you within about 7 to 10 days. So that is us at Penn Elcom. You can check us out at pen-elcom.com. And you can also, if you search, you will find the Penn online shop where you will find the case designer and the panel designer.